When the storm hits, the real work begins. And when the job demands serious iron, you need a plow built to match it. Enter the Cage SnowDozer Wing Plow, purpose-built to unleash the full potential of your wheel loader. This isn't just a snow plow. It's a snow-moving system engineered for the biggest machines and the toughest winters. Built for 30,000 to 50,000 pound loaders, the SnowDozer Wing delivers unmatched strength, control, and versatility where it matters most. At the heart of the system is a massive 48-inch tall moldboard designed to dominate deep snow, control heavy windrows, and keep material where you want it. But power alone isn't enough. The SnowDozer Wing gives operators the ability to change widths, angles, and purpose on the fly. Wide open for maximum swath width, tucked in tight for precision work and stacking, or angled up to 34 degrees to move snow exactly where it needs to go. 1 minute you're windrowing. The next you're pushing massive piles, then stacking snow higher or backdragging tight areas without switching attachments. All from the cab, all in seconds. Because when the storm is raging, every second matters. Bigger machines, bigger storms, bigger productivity. This is the plow that turns your wheel loader into a snow-moving powerhouse. Cage SnowDozer Wing Plow. Adapt instantly, move more snow, stay grounded.